Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Jackson's haul. I've been waiting quite a while for this to come in the mail, so I was very excited when I received it today. And you know what, it's been so long I honestly don't even remember what's in here, so okay, I'm just going to pull out the receipt, and I'm going to put this off on the side just because my address is on there. So, okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, and I love how everything comes packaged really well from this store. If you're new to my videos, I am in the United States here. I live in Pennsylvania. And Jackson's Art is from the UK. It's a big art store in London that I order from all the time. Because I really, really enjoy their products. Let's see if we could slip this out. Ooh, it's a little tight. Okay, but again, you can see how everything is packaged really, really well. Okay, we'll put that off on the side. And, oh, I think I know what these are. Really interesting. I've never seen, it's like similar to bubble wrap, but it's nice that it's paper instead of wasting all that plastic. Yeah, I've never seen that before. Yeah, ooh, there they are. These I'm excited to try. I'm just gonna push that out of the way. These are the brand new Aqua Drops from Sh Minka. And I think there was, I'm trying to think, I think there was 24 colors. I'd have to double check the site, but I got ruby red, which again, I think this is supposed to look more like a hot pink. And then the indigo, of course. Indigo is one of my favorites. So I'm really excited to test those out. Let's see. And it's 30 milliliters in those. Nobody was curious. I will definitely have upcoming videos showing those, and I'll do a review. What is this? Oh, okay, I ordered some black ink because again, I'm doing a lot more illustrations with my watercolors and some mixed media work. So this is just some black ink. Right there. I was looking for the brand on that one. I think that's just what it says on the front there. And in this separate little box over here, these are more watercolors. Okay, this one over here is some extra masking tape, but this says right on it the low tack, so it won't rip your watercolor paper. Oh, that's right. I got some white acrylic paint. That tube is freezing cold. It's the middle of winter where I live. That's weird though. I mean, this is like freezing cold. Nothing else was. It's funny. Anyways, this little tiny box here. Let me make sure I got everything. Got everything? Okay, get that out of the way. Okay. See, I have a couple colors I wanted to try from the White Nights. And then I have a black pen. This one is supposed to be waterproof. It's just the Unipen fine liner. This one is a 0.8. Again, that's just black. And the White Nights, these are full pans too here. Let's see, I zoomed in a little bit, so hopefully you can see a little bit better. So again, I got an indigo here from the White Nights, the Cobalt Turquoise. I had to wait because this one sells out really quick. Sap Green, it's another big one of mine. And this one is really similar to like the Opera Rose Pink. So again, these are colors that I actually needed. And again, I wanted to try the White Nights because I never tried that particular brand before. And I was really low on indigo. Turquoise is a favorite color of mine. Sap I use a lot. And this pink. So I thought about purchasing a palette, but I really didn't want to buy extra unnecessary colors that I know I already have. So this is more or less a haul about trying new things, which is always good. Again, with the Sh Minka. So you can make sure to subscribe and like the video because I'm going to be having a lot more reviews coming up. I will definitely show and share my thoughts about these new couple watercolors here, and definitely these new inks from Sh Minka, and more tutorials with the ink and watercolor. So be sure to stay tuned for more. Also, really quick, if anyone is interested in saving 10% off your first order at Jackson's Art, I do have an affiliate link in the description down below. And it doesn't matter what you order. You certainly don't have to, buy the same things that I did. It's anything, the 10% off your first order.